Hey guys, happy post Mortgage Monday Funday. Did you miss me yesterday? I got a little caught up and a little overwhelmed yesterday, but here I am with an update for you nonetheless. So, mortgage rate lock volume did rise by 31% from May to June, but as expected, purchase applications are down to their lowest levels month over month. Not surprising. Let me know what you're hearing from your potential buyers. Are they hesitant to apply? I've had some recently be more qualified than they expected. So it's always good to at least get them to talk to someone and see what they're working with. You know that, I know that, but sometimes it's nice to just remind them. Likely, the only thing to hold off the Feds raising the rate in July is if the labor market cools off, but all signs to point that it doesn't seem it's going to be the case, but we can dream, right? For the Consumer Price Index report, it is out tomorrow. So we shall see how it impacts the market movement as well as the Fed's decision for future rate hikes. It does seem that we hit our highest level of rates last Friday. Right now, we're sitting at an average of 7.37 for that fixed rate 30-year purchase and about a 6.59 for a fixed 15-year rate purchase. Now, the good news is that Fannie Mae recently reported data suggesting that prospective buyers do seem to have come to terms with the new normal rates. But what are you seeing? I will say that the people that I'm talking to don't seem to be as surprised when they find out what rate they qualify for. I'm not getting really any pushback. I feel like they definitely have come to terms with it from what I'm seeing, but I would be curious to see if it's holding true to you. Now, we did have one of our premier lenders announce that they're going to be accepting FHA and VA loans down to a 580 FICO, and I do still have a few lenders that are going to go even lower than that. We've had a lot of announcements or a lot of uh, reaching out to us from these wholesale lenders saying that they are doing discounts above and beyond what we're seeing on the rate sheet for these Govy loans, these FHA, VAs, and USDA loans. So if you have anyone that you're talking to that's looking to buy that you think would benefit from this, get them over to me. I'd be happy to have that conversation and just see where they sit or where they stand. Now, kind of along those lines, down payment assistance programs still have a ton available, and I know there's a lot of info out there. Some of them are income and area driven, and some of them aren't. So if you've got someone that you think may make too much money for it, it's a chance they may not. I've had a few come up that don't have this cap on income. So it really just depends on what's going to benefit the buyer the most. It does kind of go along the lines of some of them are repayable, some of them are deferred, some of them are forgiven after a few years. So same as before, if you've got someone that you think is going to benefit from it or is asking you a bunch of questions about it, get them over to me. I'd be happy to go through it with them and let them know what options they have. So that is it for me for today. And until next Monday, I hope you have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your week.